Dear students, today we are going to talk about or continue talking about exploring Windows operating system. I hope you are excited about this. Let's start. Today we are going to talk about how to start Windows and log in with the username and password if we have a password. We are going also to search for a program, learn how to search for a program, do shutdown, restart, and sleep, and change the theme from settings. How do we start Windows? Of course, we turn on our computer, then after a moment, Windows will start up and display the welcome screen with the username and password as I told you before. If the welcome screen is displayed for more than a few seconds, click your username, type your password, and press enter or sign in button. We will see that later on.
Okay, this is the login screen. As you can see here, we have the username and the picture for that user with a password. If I enter the password and hit enter or I use this button, Windows will start up.
Okay. How do we search for an application via the taskbar? I told you before, this is the taskbar, do you remember? And we have a search box here on the taskbar to search for an application that we need to switch on. In the search bar, located on the left-hand side of your taskbar, next to the Windows button, this is the Windows button, do you remember? Type the name of the application that you need, document or file. Then it will pop up over here. Just click on it and the application will start. Let's talk about shutdown, restart, and sleep. To do this, we have to use the Windows 10 Start menu. Here, over here, if you press the Start button, you're gonna get this icon, which is, if you look at it, it's like a power button or something like that. Then you will have these three options. This is the most obvious way to access the power option for your Windows 10 device. Hit the Windows key and then click on tap the power button and choose shutdown, restart, or put it to sleep. We're gonna talk about this in details later on. We have another method to open the shutdown, restart, or sleep menu. You can also right click on the start icon or use Windows key plus X. This is a shortcut to bring up a quick access or so-called power user menu. Then select shutdown or sign out and then choose the power mode you want to use. The third method, using the physical power button. On the CPU case or computer case, there is a button, the power button. All of you know about this. If you would prefer to use the physical power button on your desktop, this is the desktop, or laptop, this is the laptop, you just press the button and the computer will shut down. Okay, do you remember the theme? I already told you about this in the last session. In Microsoft Windows 10, you can use Windows 10 theme to change the desktop background. I already told you about the background, color, screensaver, Windows border, and start menu on your system. There are 4 types of themes in Windows 10. The first one is My Theme. The second one is Windows Default Theme. The third one, Installed Theme from the App Store. And the last one, or the fourth one, is High Contrast Theme. We will see this later on too. after talking about themes and how to do it, here are the steps how to change your theme on your computer. Step number 1. First, click on the Start menu and choose the Setting option. This is the Start menu and this is the Setting option. Step number 2. In the Windows Setting window, select the Personalization icon. This is the Personalization icon. You have to click on this to change your theme. Step number 3. In the next window, open and select the Themes option from left-hand panel. Here you have a panel. When you open the personalization, you're gonna get this menu. First one is the background, second is color, lock screen, themes, start, and taskbar. So since we are talking about the theme, then we have to click on themes. The last step, or step number 4, now select the theme that you want for your computer. Here we are selecting the default Windows 10 theme as shown below. So this is the default Windows theme. I can choose this if I want, or this if I want, or this one is unsaved theme. So it's up to you. After doing this, your Windows 10 desktop theme has been changed successfully. It will look like this or something like this, okay?
Okay, let's talk about the search bar. Here, we have this search box. If I want to search for an application, I just type the name of the application. For example, I have Paint. I want to search for Paint. Then I will see the name of the application over here. This is Paint. If I click on Paint, then the application will open. Okay, other thing. If we press on Start, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. The first option is how to switch off the computer or do a restart or sleep. What do I mean by restart? It closes all the application and turns off the PC and then turns it on. So it will reboot. What about shutdown? If I want to switch off the PC, it will close all the application and turns off the PC. What about sleep? The PC will stay on, but it will use low power and all the application will stay open. If I just switch on back the computer, all the application will open again without reopening them. Setting. What do I mean by setting? Remember when I told you about the theme and the desktop? If I want to change the theme, I go to setting. So here, I will just go for personalization to change the background theme. You can see over here, I have the background, color, lock screen, themes, fonts, start, and taskbar. So if I want to change the theme, I just hit on theme. Then I choose the theme that I want from here, for example, and it will change the theme. See, it's blue now. I'm going to change it to another one. As you can see, so easy.
I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, and we're gonna do all of these inside the class on our next session. Thank you and stay safe.